Hello and welcome to a new video from BaconRanch. We are on the farmers market today, and later on we are going back to the farm and we will have some fun with the animals and doing some, how's it called, some fencing, and we are selling some fresh chicken, pork, our homemade schnitzel, and what else? Eggs, sure, eggs, everything what is coming from the farm and we did is homemade. Okay, later on we will go over the market and I will show you what they are selling here, and after that, farm. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, BaconRanch, and leave us a like. You guys want to try the schnitzel, our sample from today? There we go.
My pleasure. I told her it's the highest end option. I'll come with you. You love like what you're talking about, right? Hi. I don't know. It's a meat.
Make stuff for your spice store in there. Yeah. Bank in your office.
I converted.
Either make them or going to find them all the way home.
Hello.
My favorite vendor.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good.
Are you super busy today?
For you?
Oh, is this for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Hello.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks.
likes Greek food? How about a salmon tzatziki? How are you?
Good, how are you?
They stay in their purse all the time.
Ginger potatoes. Solar lamps, solar flowers, they light up at night, change colors, made out of repurposed glass. They're 60. They're getting the cow is hard. There's nowhere to rent the taxi. Look at all my text messages. No, ran yours.
So okay guys, this is the end of the farmers market. At 3 o'clock we can put everything together, getting some vegetable foods from the vegetable guys, because they are selling, what they cannot sell, they're giving this to us and we're giving this to the pigs. Let's go and put everything together and then we are going to the farm. So it looks like it's magic. I'm at the farm. Yep. The guides told me that there's a tree that fell down onto one of our trails, and we have to remove the tree before we're doing anything else. I have to do something at the barbecue area. Yep. And we have to give some water. We have the water in the bag, and fixing some fences, and doing all that stuff. We'll see how it works, and I'm taking you guys with me. We gave some water to the horses. I cut the tree, and now I'm waiting for what I'm waiting for. Oh. There's another trail ride tonight. I don't think you guys know our new dog. This is Wendy. Wendy got bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah, and she's eating her dishes. And this is McDonald. Yeah, McDonald is another Great Pyrenees, and he came from Alberta. Yeah, he's a good guy, huh? Yeah, come here, come here, come here. Yeah. Yeah, both of them are a little bit afraid of this electric fence. They shouldn't touch it, huh? All right, they are both together with all the goats. Yeah, there's still the chicken coop from the meat birds, but all the meat birds are gone. We are getting new meat birds in I think next week, the week after. I don't know. But I think I have to feed now the dogs, because someone is hungry. Don't eat the dish. I'm getting some feed. Let's get some feed for the dogs. Let's see. So here's Wendy. And it's not goat feed, it is dog food. Okay, yeah, like I said, this is Wendy and McDonald. Yeah. So, if you guys are interested in what the pigs are getting tonight, it is apples, cherries, 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries, and grain, wheat, corn, what else? All organic, yeah. And like you can hear, the pigs are waiting for the food. Oh, here's Big Balls. Yeah. This guy is waiting and saying, hey, give me my food. Okay, let's give him some food. See if that works with the camera. So. Taking some apples. Here, be quick. Oh, he touched the fence. Oh, what did you do with all this ground here? And that's okay. Don't touch the fence, mister. Oh. And the fruits. Ooh. That's nice.
You're getting everything wet.
Oh yeah, that's our youngsters. Ah. In the pocket. They're eating with mama. That's little Big Boys ladies. Huh? Yeah, we already sold some from Big Boys babies, and we kept 4 for the next butcher season. They should be good in February, March, I think, and then they're going to the butcher. Oh, let's give them some cherries. Ooh. That's nice. Thanks, Sam. Yeah. Yeah, we have a dry area and a wet area in here to keep the pigs happy in this tropical temperatures. Today we had 30 degrees, I think. And they're happy. Okay, there's a podcast. We have to continue. We have to go on. So, okay, guys, I'm filming from the old new barbecue area. This is the area where the fire was, and you see Mother Nature is coming back, and everything is green. Yeah, here the horses, and on the right side there's a ravine. It's going down there. So, and this is the barbecue area we rebuilt. That's it for today. We just put some lumber on it, some wood, and it looks like that. And here I brought in some dirt, some filling, and we will level this a little bit out. That's the reason of the plastic in here. And then we will have a barbecue in here, like barbecue area, and a fire pit where you can come and have a little party on here, have a little fire. That's it for this video. See, the sun is almost going down and I'm almost at home. Thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure to have you the whole video in here. Yeah, it was a long day, even with the farmers market and going out here, having some other trail rides on a Sunday, and then working on everything here. Yeah, but I have to show you again, all this grass came back. No more black stuff, except here when we are going a little bit deeper. It's almost gone, everything. Yeah, if you don't mind, like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for the next video. Maybe I'm done with the barbecue area and you can see how it is there. It will be amazing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye.